mana? How do you feel?
I'm a little bit scared, but okay. They're so cute. Nak makan.
It's legit.
Dia pegang air.
No. Finish your dinner.
Macam panggil kucing.
Why you duduk like that?
Jangan main.
I like your hair. Kau dah bagi makan, lepas tu kau lari. Ada lagi satu je.
Okeylah, bagilah.
Takut. Okay, bye-bye. We got no food for you guys. I'm sorry. Bye. Lebih banyak je ikan. Yo, banyaknya.
So windy, nak hujan dah.
Ya, nak hujan guys. Tapi macam pelik sikit tau. Sebab we are a farm tapi ada building besar.
That's why it's called farm in the city. Oh my god, that is so loud.
Gerak. Lagi.
Atas lagi sikit. Okey, boleh lah. Malu-malu.
Comel. Comelnya. Gemuk.
Oh. Meerkat.
Oh my god.
Tengok sini.
Tidak pandai. Comel gila.
Okey.
Dah. Gerak je.
Jungle walk.
Side eye tu tak? Side eye.
Oh, apa tu?
Lemur. Boleh pegang? Lembat je. Tapi macam scary je.
Tak, dia tak gigil dah.
I feel like I am in kampung.
Push. Okay.
Dah. Ambil dah. Wait, kenapa dia ada benzol?
Dia punya ban.
Candle. It's raining.
But I got attacked by a goat.
I also got attacked by a goat. The goat panjat-panjat. Korang pernah nampak goat panjat orang?
Pernah kan?
So cute. Bye. Hujan guys. Balik guys. Basah tu.
I am
Oh my God.
traumatized.
We are traumatized by the goat.
Yeah.
Other than that, animal lain semua baik. Kecuali the goat.
Ya. Kalau datang sini jangan masuk kandang kambing.
Yang apa Savannah Farm, something like that.
Yes.
Korang jangan masuk.
Just straight away sampai hujung pergi dekat Far East and you can finish your food there.
Real.